Have you ever tried face taping, especially for your smile lines? Well, I have tried it. I'm going to show you my technique. It is super effective and all natural, and that's why I love it for those smile lines. Okay, so all you need is some Kinesiology tape, and I have another little hack coming in a second. I'll share that with you. But this Kinesiology tape, often used by athletes, helping to stabilize their muscles and their joints and their ligaments, but we can use it for our beauty routine as well. So all you need to do is cut off a couple of strips of this tape, and it is super effective. And of course, doing this on clean skin closer to bedtime is a great idea. You can leave on the tape overnight. I do want you to do a little bit of a patch test with the tape just on your wrist the day before, just to make sure that you are not reacting to the adhesive in the tape. Most people don't. I have super sensitive skin. I don't tend to react to this. However, some people do, so I just want you to test that to be sure. Now, all you're going to do with your little strips is you're going to remove the backing of the strip. Then you're going to flatten out. So if you do have the smile lines, they're called the nasolabial folds, and it's due to sometimes a loss of muscle mass. If you do smile a lot, which I think is a great thing, I think they're actually beautiful. But again, if you want to minimize them, totally up to you. But it is because of the musculature that's changing sometimes as you're aging, and you can really develop those smile lines. But all you're going to do is spread out that skin gently to flatten out that line if you do have one, and then you just simply apply the tape right on top. Now, with the tape, it does have tension, so you can apply tension to it. I find for the smile lines, you do not need to apply tension to the tape. You just apply it directly on the line. Now, another thing that you can do, sort of a newer hack that I've discovered, is the silicone scar tape, which I love for the smile lines as well. So again, it comes in a roll. You can purchase that online. Again, you can do a little sensitivity test. Of course, if you're sensitive to silicone and that family of vegetables, you probably don't want to be using this, obviously. But again, this is fantastic. And this is actually reusable, which I love. So again, on clear, clean skin at bedtime, with this type of tape, you can actually put on your serums and things, or your natural oils that you like to use at bedtime. So the same technique, you're just going to sort of smooth out that line and then apply your silicone scar tape on top of that area. Then go to bed, relax, get your beauty sleep, and then you can certainly remove that in the morning. Now, the great thing about this one again is that when you remove the silicone scar tape, you can just wash it in a little bit of soapy water, cleanse that, reapply it to your backing, and then you can reuse that the next night, which is fantastic. And it just gives a nice, smooth glass finish to your skin. And the more that you do this over time, helps to decrease some of those muscles that are sort of contracting in the wrong way, relaxing the muscles and then relaxing the wrinkles. Now, if you want to learn more about supplements for younger skin, I have a fantastic video. I want you to check it out. 9 supplements for younger skin. I'll see you there.